Twenda copies za baziturete tukadiscussingera bufa.
Ebyona byabaha kitebe kikuru cha district ya Mbara omurika mukuzi eyabanyishengero bababizire kwebuza aha banyambara aha mateka agubarumono bahindahindura agakwatirine nebyo bururu.
Mugambe tuli mu parliament netwe unyokulaba nga tuli mu parliament nga twina muzindalo eyo nambe kope cyale cyokubiri tizimala ate ebizibu byennyine bera mu bururu bituze tumalewo ensonga ezimu neka kati nga twina muzindalo kope tizimala tugenda kutesa tuti.
If you tell us to use that projector, it's already in operation. Who can spot here and read those letters right now? So I am thinking and I'm suggesting to this house that I believe you have the soft copy of these things, of these papers. Simply, you can get someone here, he goes there, he gets the brochures, and we read and understand. We are professionals.
Kama member wa parliament mwena kokumuri nimurema kutunge mutwari 10 omuntu akazarwe bikona ko kisempapura. Sente zimuride nyingi banayi muride sente kesempapura.
Since we are not ready, I think the teaching learning process we are trying to gamble with may not be a success.
Nani nyenda mutujirenka kwa abandi babiri ne bagira. We share the little available. We share the little available. Nani nyenda ngwen omwamba 10 mazima tiba kwa copies zona mazima tozini. Ruhango omwe.
So I'm on the view that maybe you can go back and prepare yourself. When you are ready, for us we are the residents in Barara, you'll find us here.
Yes. Ninga tubahore turunda kibo turebe.
And this is a democratic process. We are supposed to listen to the voice of the majority. We are going to provide the copies.
Ahamuherwe byona iteka abanyishengera aba bagemeserezwa kurunda ebihandi kwebi nuko rukiko kugenda misho obwe barukureba umumpinda hinduka eri kwija kubombyo bururu.
This particular provision that is being inserted is stating the obvious that yes, a candidate is free to stand as an independent candidate. But they are putting conditions that if you are to stand as an independent candidate and you originally belonged to a political party, then you must have left the political party 12 months equivalent to a year before nomination for that particular office. And two, that if for you to be known to have left that political party, you should have left it in accordance with the constitution of that political party and even gotten a discharge in the form of a certificate or a letter from that party that you indeed left.
Hanyuma y'ebiro 14 oyehandikisize na akachiko kebyo bururu oraza kuzayo ovoreke ngu esente zinda za kukozesa omukaruru kanje ndaza kuziha hana.
Ndi Elias Rutugusa.